The concept behind the idea is that we need to improve the effectiveness of the face mask against a virus. So in order to attain higher rate of effectiveness, we upgraded the old mask using other elements such as glycoprotein to increase the filtration of the mask. Every time the user made contact with small particles with virus, with the set upgrade, the level of effectiveness increased that we can see in this simulation. To sum it up, the higher the effectiveness rate, the safer the user is. Without any problem in breathing, and the materials used is safe, that anyone can use and would not trigger any kind of disease and allergy. The safer the product, the healthier the human.
The researchers came up with this study to help the frontliner be able to protect themselves against different kinds of viruses and bacteria, especially during the outbreak of pandemic. The study is inspired by the current face shield and virostatic mask. The researchers aims to design a face shield with a higher efficiency against viruses and bacteria.
One company that has been manufacturing protective face coverings for several years is Virostatic Shield, which produces an antiviral snood originally marketed in 2018 to protect against influenza viruses. The fabric is coated with lactoferrin, a glycoprotein that mimics the sticky carbohydrates on esophagus and nasal passage cells. In experiments, the textile captured up to 98% of viral particles in airborne droplets, although those tests did not include the specific SARS-CoV-2 virion that causes COVID-19. Also, 2021 study highlights that coating masks with a glycoprotein called lactoferrin may help provide further protection and prevent the transmission of viruses. Lactoferrin mimics the sticky carbohydrates present in the throat and nasal passages, which allows it to capture viral particles in airborne droplets and stop them from infecting a person. Another 2021 study notes that infusing masks with quaternary ammonium salts can also help protect against viral contamination by inactivating viruses.
Most commonly, face shields used by the frontliner are also used by everyone. A face shield screen that covers the whole face and gaps in the corner of the face shield that allows entrance. Most commonly paired with the mask inside. Therefore, the researcher designed an advanced face shield that would enable them to have a higher protection against bacteria and viruses, can give them a whole coverage in the face, equipped with special cloth that covers mouth, nose, and skin that cover the eyes.
We, the researchers from Quezon City University, have found that the proposed simulation design of our face mask decreases the possibility of having infection and is effective of preventing the spread of the coronavirus. As seen in the simulation, the use of face mask with glycoprotein to build a simulated design of face mask to prevent from coronavirus. The person wearing the simulated face mask design inhaled the infected air only 8.5 cubic meter per second with the effectiveness of 98% of the glycoprotein mask. The simulation showed it decreased to 96% due to unknown variables and the simulation is ideal.